Hello folks, this is Master Fo coming to you with some helpful hints. If your door won't open in your 2000 E150 or F150 side doors, these are inexpensive fixes that you could buy. The kits probably get them off eBay for about 20 bucks a piece, depending where you might find them. The kits will come in either two types. You'll have a round type and a kind of like oval type, so you could fit it in like the side latch repair. Some of these will take the circles, and the other ones you'll use these for easy access. What I did was the cables break right in this area. The old the sheath or little cable, so these are like repair kits instead of buying a whole cable kit, which is about 200 each. So if you want to place, your side doors in your back, you're talking about $900 worth, $1,000 worth they just latches alone. Okay, if your doors are locked in the back, I would recommend removing the back plate, which is this right here, and you could find it back over here. Look over here. Put on this. In this area, there are 20 Torx you could use, or a 7mm. Take that off, and it removes this back hatch in the back. So you could get to one of your cables, and then you pull it, and it opens the door. So that opens this door here with your little cable up here if you need to pull it. And also, after you get this done, if you're both latches, if your door is closed on this one, it won't open due to the fact that your cable's already broken and stuff. You could just grab, open these with the little clips in the back over here. You move them out, you pinch them in the back, and it'll push it forward, and you disconnect it from your little handle over here by pushing the little ball down or up, depending on which direction your opening is, to release this ball back over there. So that will at least get your door open, and then so you could do repair here and do your repair here. Now, since it broke down here also, I'm going to take it a 27 Torx, removes the bolts here. We'll remove this latch and remove this latch up here real quick. You'll take a 27 Torx and just loosen these. Oi. Release the cables, release the room to work, and see how that broke there. So this type. Okay, with this latch, you'll use this type of head, so it'll fit in here, and you will twist it. So let me repair this real quick. That sheet off and take about an inch off of there. And you'll have a little plastic piece in here that you'll have to destroy. Usually grab a little and then knock off all the pieces and see how small that little opening is there. You'll use this type so it'll fit right in there, and you twist it. So you just, this gets a little right here. So there, you put that in, and right in here. Oops, like this way. It should go in. And then you twist it so that little deal could give you a little there. And there's your fix. Put that back in there. Back in here. Just like that. Here. Show you how to fix that one real quick. Oops. Go ahead and put that up. Can you grab me that bolt? Do the bottom latch and then we'll finish this off. Torques. I'll come back to you in a couple of minutes after I remove it. But